All right, guys. So rather than show you a time lapse of me actually drawing, or sorry, coloring this in, you know, coloring is pretty simple, I'd say, and that's pretty boring. Everyone here at this point knows how to color. I would just say try to do your best to stay in the lines in terms of tips on coloring, but we're not really doing anything fancy with the coloring technique anyway. Okay, so however, the one thing I do want to mention when you do color is make sure that the colors you pick are different. So, okay, let me re-explain this. So, if I'm coloring in this word, right, and I'm done coloring that, this word here should not be the same color as this word here. You want each of the words to stand out, and if they're all the same color, if all of the words around the word you're trying to color uh, have the same color, then it's not going to stand out. All right. So make sure that if you use red for this word, that you use a different color for the word for any words adjacent to it. Okay. So this word here, this word here, this word here, and this word here, none of these are red because this one in the middle is red. And that same rule will apply for this one, right? This word is yellow, and these two words are orange. These two oranges are not touching, right? They're divided by this red word. Okay, it's I know I'm making it sound kind of difficult and complicated, but really just think, okay, I did this one red. Is there uh so once you do that, you move on to the next word, look around. Okay, is there so I can't use basically decide I can't use red at this point. I'm going to choose a different color and then move on to the next word. Which two colors are touching? Red and orange. So I can't use either of those. Pick a different color. Go down here. What two colors are touching? So far, just yellow. So I'm going to choose orange, right? Um, you might accidentally do like a red here. Oops, sorry. You might accidentally do a red here. So also plan ahead and think, okay, if this is going to be red, then what am I going to make this color? Oh, I'd have to make it orange or something, which doesn't work out, right? So instead, decide, okay, this is going to be orange then, and this is going to be red instead. All right. So that's pretty much it. Once you color it in, you are done with this part of your final project.